Top of Mountain View Drive in Holyoke, Massachusetts, in front of the Albert Steiger home. It's a bungalow architectural style made in 1919. He was the first one up on this hill. His private road we'll show you as we go 360 degrees around. In front of it, in 1922, he ordered up a beautiful architectural design gate. It has two sides. This is the wing towards the south. And you can see it's very long and perfectly detailed. It's been here 102 years now, and there's still no problems with it. And you can see the two towers and the gate driveway. And then you can see off to the right-hand side, or the north and western side, the gate continues in a different fashion because it wraps around and actually goes on to Steiger Road, which was put in 1956. And the gate was, the wall was here beforehand. So it's a beautiful design. Try to find imperfections. The only imperfections I ever found were probably caused by putting Steiger Road in. So the contractor to hire did a superb job. He couldn't take into account that they put another road in and change the drainage system of the area. Otherwise, that whole thing would be absolutely perfect. And this down to mathematical degree, it curves at a certain degree at a certain place. It has a certain height at a certain place. You can see it's all very perfectly done and perfectly designed. Design is on my website, so you can see it. Now, as you go around, used to be tennis courts right where that brown house is. They were taken out. They belong to the Mountain Top Golf Course. You can see Steiger Road. You can see the rest of Mountain View Drive. But more interesting for us is there's a wall back here that Albert Steiger had put in. It wasn't designed by the Olmsted brothers, but it was the start of Olmsted designed land. So for 4 houses downwards, the street has a design to it. And the reason why he put it in is because he wanted to be able to come out of his house with his golf cleats on, walk across this area. Remember, this road was put in 1924. He didn't have a plan on it, but he knew it was going to be here. So all we'd have to do is walk on this tar and then go on to grass and walk through this backyard and up a little bit, and he'd be on the first hole of the Mount Tom golf course. And he wanted to help out all the people in the area, and so he made it nice and beautiful and designed perfectly well. He also put a smaller Steiger gate at the base of this 4-lot area so that the people, their golfers, can cross the street. Now, one more thing to pass along to you is that he was the first one out here. There was no road. There was a private driveway all the way from Northampton Street. It was about 2/3 of a mile long. It's right there. It's still a private driveway, but not for the Steiger residents anymore. So remember, he put that road in 1919. He was the only one up here until 1924. And so this is his way of getting in here. And there was a private driveway until the 50s. And then at that point, that driveway was sold to put other houses in. And this residents would then, from that point on, use Mountain View Drive. So the last thing to point out, that the bungalow is beautiful. It's a 2-story bungalow, probably one of the first 2-story bungalows in the whole world. And you know, bungalow, think heavy in the porch area. See those 4, 5 heavy beams, and then the top is also very heavy looking. That's the definition of a bungalow. All right, so thank you for coming on this Albert Steiger stop.